Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a relatively tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into this one, but assuming you care about the big picture of things, a good, healthy day. Now, what do I mean by, well, it depends. Well, let me put it this way. If you're some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought on the gap up this morning and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, from that perspective, the chart looks really bad because, yeah, the price did pull back. But again, assuming you care about the big picture of things, everything is still perfectly okay. What do I mean by that? Well, it all goes down to this 10-cent mark, which I talked about in the previous video. And maybe you didn't see that video, but why is 10 cents such an important area of support moving forward? And I'm not saying this is actually going to happen, but just from an explanation point of view, let's say the price does come down to 10 cents, behaves in that manner, then works its way back upwards. What would you still have at that point? Well, you'd have a big old set of lows here. You'd have that previous set of lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upward direction, and that's what you want to see. That's the name of the game. So 10 cents is why I would still consider today perfectly fine. Once again, I'm well aware if you're a flipper and you bought right there, you don't care about this 10-cent mark. But I'm making these comments geared towards somebody with a much bigger viewpoint of things. So as long as the price can show those signs of progress, and by staying up above that 10-cent mark, that's what matters most from the support side of things. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, it still remains all about that purple line up there, which I believe I've talked about in past videos. That purple line there being the very well-known 50-period moving average, currently valued right now right around the 13.5-cent mark, so you want to keep a close eye on that. But all in all, the bounce continues. The opportunity to show some signs of progress still remains intact, so let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.